lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. I know it's been so long since I have posted my video on my YouTube channel, but it's okay. Here I am for my next video. Alright, this video will be all about pink makeup, not too bright pink, but the subtle soft pink makeup kind of look I'll be doing in today's video. And also I'll be using a bright pink lip shade because I love my lips in bold shades, so that's why I'll be using my darkest possible pink shade here, and that is this Breathing Fire from MAC. And I love this pink. This is like a beautiful kind of pink, if you can see. Also, I'll be using all the products except this MAC lipstick from L'Oreal, Maybelline and Lakme. These are easily available brands in India, and I thought I would be doing something with the basic brands which are easily available here. If you're a new viewer here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you are already a subscriber to my channel, make sure you watch this video till the end. Alright, okay, let's get started. First, I'll be using this L'Oreal Revitalift serum to prep my skin for the further makeup. I'll be rubbing this serum and will be dabbing to all over my face, including my forehead, my T-zone, my chin, cheeks, everywhere, until I get this sticky kind of texture. You'll feel the stickiness once it is totally absorbed into your skin. Alright, okay, done. And next thing I'm gonna be using is this Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. This I got from Nika, and this is for 249 rupees. Using this moisturizer, and will be doing this to all over my face. I love the fragrance of this moisturizer. This is so good, so amazing, you guys. This feels so light on my skin, so yeah, I would give this moisturizer somewhere around 8 out of 10. The next product I'll be using is this Lakme Primer Matte Foundation, and it says it has the primer also, like foundation plus primer, so you don't have to put or apply your primer before your foundation because it has already the primer. Alright, and oh, it has this tiny spatula kind of thing. Okay, so I'll be using this. Oh, it has a mild fragrance as well. Again, I haven't used this Lakme foundation ever before, but let's see how it turns out with the primer. I guess this is the full coverage foundation, and not that bad. I mean, it's quite affordable and works well, so yeah, you can give it a try if you want. I love the texture, I love the finish. I would definitely recommend this Lakme foundation to those people who are school going, who are college going. So this is the final look after applying this foundation, and I kind of like this one. Okay, so next I'll be using this Instant Age Rewind Eraser from Maybelline again, and I think it was around 600. Okay, I'm not sure about the price, but yeah, somewhere around that. So I'll be using this one, and I have used this before, like, and it's cute. Like, does it work? This is not my first time using this one. So all you have to do is twist this thing from here and dab it under your eyes, your forehead, and the area where you have the blemishes, your dark spots. I love how it gives the perfect clean look. So I don't believe in investing so so much into the concealer, because if you have something affordable, then why not using that one, right? Thing, I'm gonna be using this Lakme Sun Export Compact, and again, I haven't used this before. This is my very first time using this one, and this compact does come with the sponge, but I won't use that sponge. I'll be using this brush, and I got this from Amazon, and it is by Eco Tools, and this is okayish kind of brush. So I got this deal on Amazon, so I got this one. So it's nothing fancy about it, but yeah, if you want, you can go for it. I'll be not using it on all over my face, but I'll be targeting those areas where I have put my concealer, so that it fix that area with the concealer. Okay, the next thing I'll be using is this Lakme 9 to 5 blush in shade Pure Rouge blusher, and again, this is my first time using this one. It looks like it is way too much pigmented, but let's see. Again, this blush comes with this tiny brush, but again, I'll be not using that one because I don't think that will give the good finish. So I'll be using again this brush for the blush. Oh yeah, this is so much pigmented. So what I'll be doing is I'll take some and then and will be applying on my cheeks. Oh my god, a little bit of it is too much. Next up is this lipstick, which I already have mentioned, that I'll be using this pink Breathing Fire in shade 641 from MAC. For that, I'll be using my NYX lip pencil. I'm so sorry. This NYX lip pencil is in shade brown, but does it look like brown? No, it looks like kind of red or a reddish brown. Okay, whatever it is, I love this one. And now I'll be applying my lipstick. The next thing I'll be applying is my eyeshadow. Yes. Okay. I don't know why, but I chose this time doing my eyes like in the end. So yeah, time to create my perfect bold eyes. Yes. So for that, I'll be using again this Maybelline Lemonade Trace eyeshadow palette, which has 12 shades. All right. So first, I'll be applying this Sweet Tea shade. Sweet Tea with my Eco Tools brush. So and I'm so sorry, it does not have any number on these brushes, but yeah, this says defined crease brush. So I'll be using this one for this Sweet Tea eyeshadow. So what I'm gonna do is I'll be applying it on all over my eyelid, on all over my eyelid. Shade will be this coral punch shade, this one, and I'll be using this shade on just on my eyelid. Okay, and we'll be blending a little bit above. So that I'll be using this brush. It says blurring from Eco Tools again. So yeah, this coral punch. Again, I repeat, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you already have subscribed to my channel, please make sure you watch my other videos as well, and follow me on Instagram. I'll be putting my Instagram link into my description box, so make sure you go there and check out my latest pictures there as well. And also I have a website which is goddessontrends.com, and there you'll be getting a more update on on everything, like on recipes, on fashion, on lifestyles, on makeup brands, etc, etc. So make sure you go there as well and check out my website. I'm also on Twitter, on Facebook. So I am done with this coral punch shade, and the next shade is pink, and there's the surprise for you, and that is I'll be using this Lakme Pure Rouge blush for my eyeshadow, since this is the most pigmented eyeshadow in pink. So I thought I'll be using this one for my eyes. So yeah, I'll be using again this brush which says blurring from Eco Tools. So I'll be using this one again, and we'll be taking some of it and there it is. good, isn't it? So this is the final look with the eyeshadows. Okay, and the next thing, eye pencil. This eye pencil from Maybelline, and I love this one. I have already used this one a lot, so I know this is just the awesome product, and I'll be using this one on my lower lash line. So that's it. So in this video I will not apply any eyeliner for this look, but I'll be applying my falsies, and I got this one from Sephora, and this was for $10. I got this from Sephora in USA, from Houston. And then next I'll be using this Maybelline New York, the Falsies Lash Lift. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please make sure you like it and write your comments in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Next time, bye bye.